Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with Dial-Easy. So in this video we're going to discuss about small causes courts. So section 7 and 8 of CPC, that is Civil Procedure Code, deals with small causes courts. So these courts are purely a creation of Britishers. There are civil courts per head deals with those civil matters which are trivial in nature, so their pecuniary jurisdiction is very small. So the need of small causes courts in present day is to separate those civil matters which are petty or with very small pecuniary jurisdiction from others to ensure speedy disposal of cases. So small causes courts are of two types. Number one, Presidency Small Causes Courts. So these courts were started under Presidency Small Cause Act 1882 as a pilot project and covered only then three presidencies, that is Bombay, Madras, Calcutta. So after seeing its success, another act was made which covered provinces. So second one is Provincial Small Causes Courts. So after seeing 5 years long success of Presidency Small Causes Act, another act was after made which covered provinces. So this act was called Provincial Small Causes Act 1887. So the difference, the applicability of code in both of these similar codes is that while a Presidency Small Causes Act 1882 is very comprehensive, containing everything from structure of courts to procedure to be followed, and nothing has been left to the imagination. So the Provincial Small Causes Act is not comprehensive and contain various lacunas. So thus primarily for smooth functioning of courts, CPC applied to Provincial Small Causes Courts and not a Presidency Small Causes Courts. So in present day, small causes courts play a very vital role as it helps with ease of procedure and brings down the burden of the courts in some way, if not substantial way. Thank you. See you in next video with some more information.